welcome to VCode's 100 Days of Coding Challenge. Today is day 5 and let's see the question number 2. So the question is, write a Java program to calculate the area of triangle using the formula half base into height. So we already know since childhood what is the formula for triangle. So this is the triangle, and so here this is the height of the triangle, let us denote it with h, and this is the length of the base, so let it be b. So the formula is half into base into height. So here this base and height we are going to take it as an input from the user. So let us dive into the code. So first of all, let us create the Java file. So I will name it as area of triangle .java. So now let's write the main method, public static void main and capital string args. So first of all, we need to take the input of both base and height, right? So for that, let me create the scanner object. So scanner, let the object name be ob and new scanner and system.in. So we will use this object to take the input. So the variables, let's declare the variable for base and height. So what shall be the data type of it? So we can give it as int, but what if the user gives the value of some decimal? So for that we need to ensure that even if the user gives a decimal, it should be okay. So here we can use two data types, one is float and the other is double. So what is the difference between these two? So this float is like 32-bit data type and here double is the 64-bit data type. So the difference is size. So here we are going to use a smaller data type. So let's go with the float. So let me declare float base equals ob dot. We have to write next float, and then now float height equals ob dot next float again. So here this will be useful in taking the decimal input, that is float data type, and it will store into the variables, into the respective variables. So we have to use these both to calculate the area. So let me create another variable called area. So let's calculate the area of triangle. So how to do it? It's 1/2 into base into height. So do you think this is gonna work? So in Java we will get some error here. So here actually we need to even declare this as a float data type, because float into integer is not possible here. Look at this, these are both integers, right? So this is not possible here. So we need to declare it as 1.0 f. So that means we are saying that this one is a float data type, and here we need to give 2.0 f. So here it will understand that this 2 is a float data type. Now we can use this operations and we can multiply. So this thing is something which you need to take care of. Either we have to do this or we can directly write 0.5. So 1/2 is 0.5, right? So and now here I have put the braces to indicate that it's 1/2 into base into height and not 1/2 into base into height. Okay. So now we have calculated the area. So let us print it. So sout tab, the area of triangle is, so plus area, and finally we will close the object. So also here let us tell the user to give the inputs of base and height so that he won't get confused. Give input of base. Here again give input for height. So the code is ready. So let's run the code in the terminal. So control plus backtick. So first we'll compile the file, area of triangle.java, and now you can see the class file is created. So now let's run the file, area of triangle. So, let us give an input, let us give 10.0, and now for the input of height, let me give 5.0. So, look at this, we have got the output successfully. So, this is the area of triangle. So, that is it for this video. We have seen how to calculate the area of triangle and float and double data types. So, do join the WhatsApp group to get more updates on the 100 days of coding challenge from VCode. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching.